Are you tired of your lock opening easily or constantly getting jammed? Now we have Ductley Combination Lock with 31 angles and 4 rings. 923,521 ways to protect your locker perfectly. It is faithful to the function of the lock. Green, black, and silver. 3 colors to choose from. With waterproof materials, we can promise that this lock will surely last through all weather conditions. There's even a compartment you can store money and valuables in. This lock is not just for lockers. This lock can also protect your bag and all valuables in it. You can also bend the flexible handle in various shapes. This lock is also very durable. Ductley Combination Lock on sale right now. Hurry up, it's almost sold out.